Alright, so we are looking at 9 and 10 in that quiz review for chapter 9.1 to 9.3. So in 9 and 10, it asks us to convert the polar equation to rectangular equation. Right. For this, there's about 3 formulas we really want to think about. X squared plus y squared equals r squared, and then x equals r cosine of theta, y equals r sine of theta. Alright, those are like the 3 big equations we want to kind of remember. Okay. So I want to convert, which means I want to get all the r's and thetas to be turned into x's and y's. So this looks like a whole bunch of jumbledness. I'm going to utilize some of my chapter 6 knowledge and chapter 7 to rewrite some of these. Cosecant theta, that's 1 over sine of theta. And tangent, none of my equations have tangent, so I'm going to switch that to sine of theta over cosine of theta. Right. The nice thing here is, boom, the signs will cancel. So I'm left with r equals 2 over cosine of theta. Okay. And now what I can do is I can actually multiply both sides by cosine of theta. So I have 2 equals r cosine of theta. And look at that. That is what x equals. So this equation is actually x equals 2. It is a vertical line at x equals 2 is what this whole equation looks like when you convert it into rectangular. Okay. Looking at number 10, we're going to hit r equals sine theta. So I don't have any of my formulas right away. I can't really rearrange anything here, like sine's already in terms of sines and cosines, so I can't do anything there. So I want to try and see, can I utilize any of these equations? And the nice thing is sine of theta, hey, I know r sine of theta is y. So if I can have r sine of theta, I can help me out. So what I'm going to do is to get that, I'm going to multiply this side by r, because I'll have sine of r, sine theta times r. If I multiply this side by r, however, I need to multiply that side by r. So r squared equals r sine of theta. R sine is y, and then r squared is x squared plus y squared. So x squared plus y squared equals y. You could leave it like that. You could move it over to do that. Either one is fine, as long as you have no more r's and thetas and everything you have is x and y's, which is what I have here. So there it is.